So good.
Ulrike.
Ulrike Selleck.
Ulrike Selleck.
Ulrike.
Ulrike.
You're a miracle, Ulrike.
Ulrike took me through one process, one technique, less than 10 minutes, and I'm feeling like infinitely better.
I have received an instant hug, an instant boost of energy.
It was really amazing how quickly you taught me how to connect with myself and how to experience my masculine and feminine energy.
I kind of connected with myself. It was peaceful.
How I can actually heal myself and heal my voice.
Ulrike, this was amazing. It's so sweet.
She is unbelievable. I really feel like I've met a new friend.
She taught me one simple technique that I'll use every day.
We have a welcoming and safe presence. How to regain our voice for empowerment.
Ulrike, she helped me how to free my voice.
Ulrike, just from a 15-minute exercise with you, I do feel like that tension is just gone. It's not there anymore.
Released something that was bothering me all my life. Ulrike, you are absolutely amazing.
I was 6 weeks old when my mother wrote in her diary that I was a difficult child because I was too serious and didn't smile like the other babies. I was quiet, deeply spiritual, had celestial experiences, and no one understood. I didn't fit in at all, got shut up a lot, and bullied. I learned to meditate and serve others quietly. What I didn't know was that the balance was missing. Until one day at 32, I found myself standing in Deepak Chopra's office and heard him say, "You have thyroid cancer. Ulrike, I've known you for years and you never speak up. Now your throat is blocked. If you want to heal, you have to free your voice and sing." So I did and became an opera singer in midlife. These past 25 years, I've performed for thousands, given thousands of sessions and lessons, and have helped hundreds of clients. I've created my Sing Yourself Well system for you, so you can literally sing yourself well, and you don't have to go through what I had to, saving you years and decades of your life. Jack Canfield tried my system and said this about it.
I really encourage everyone who's watching this to take advantage of this. It's so simple and so profound. I was working with it the last few days and it made a huge difference in my life. So if you want to get in touch with Ulrike and her work, get more information about her book, her videos, other things she does, you just use the information you see on the screen and you can get in touch with her, get the book, learn the technique, share it with others. I promise you this is a skill that everybody should have, just like brushing your teeth.